Ya do we. Gwalo ebono wo wenwe. Umala ko we boda we si enime. On est je va moi j'ai boda era boda ti un boda ti un nom di on moi la we boy best friend de moi. Hello. The only Ishama that have visa right night and day to enter anywhere where I'm Bruce and Monica they will not go shake. That's it for life. I lawyer make I know you. The crazy, the my big cigar. Worry me. I not be see, Jory. I not be all this abroad wives whether they see marry for abroad years or so. I be all I get the title. I use cow and they take the title. When you are the wife of a first son. Okay? And that first son, now first thing married. You know, say that you see some family now, second picking, third picking go marry before agbonke do my first son. No. My mother-in-law no get that experience step by step. Senior picking settle, second picking settle, third picking settle, last picking settle. All married. Yes, omugo from omugo because of marry. Okay, so as a first wife to the home and family I'm married to, I have to carry a title. Cow na they do. Oh, what dear. I not be wife where they don't know for home. I be wife where they know for home. I'm Bruce's wife. Or walk and Bruce. Oh, we are Monica. We are think. Who were me? You dey okay? 26 years. My husband never go admission. He never get cough. Never break leg. Never get bad luck. The only bad luck, now this bad luck, now he using and carry and not be me. Now he using and carry and come. Ben na me help and beat him. Oh yeah. You know it take bewa. Me no na Monica. Extra large. So, you can see, and now everybody know man where I use money the cocoa. You know what, huh? The man where I use money buy. You know what, huh, my people? The man where I use juju te ho. Oh man, what they are? Nita ya ye juju ya mono na ye juju. If I use juju, I jela latte carry this type of person. My family where me come for, they go pursue me past ground. God forbid. Say me go use juju te carry this type of person. Use way. Una not see ma where I use to take carry. Una not see ma where they say I look for bottle. E no water. E water. See. Assuming. See waiting somebody use Toto. The man they lick Toto. The man they lick Nyash. The man they use Juju Ajela Latte Olan. Just see life. See. Okay, they listen. If my own result, I say my result.
You lick in Yash. You lick in Yash. Yes, so.
Can you imagine? Assuming that this type of now I go use Juju Teho. Now this one where he say he not the licky wife or he they go lick Lovette, Nyash. All these Asian small boys we don't know themselves. Where their eye, no they always appreciate their own. Why would not like to they lick people leg? Or when no being when I'm muy bata no we are. Or when I am masho or ton we are. Why would not they lick other women Nyash? See this one, Aisha boy. If they lick woman Nyash, you know if you even lick Toto, if they lick Nyash. And the way I say, you know, they lick your own for her, but anywhere you want me way, why Why all these Ishan boy? Why you all they spoil Ishan men? All these boys. All they spoil Ishan men name. Ishan get clean name for social media. At least they never rubbish like Benin men rubbish their own for social media. You never see Ishan man. Now among all the people where they cry now, you don't see one Ishan man now where they even drag the useless go for nothing Abibio there. Eh? Evil boy, has boy for life. No Ishan man now they even drunk say, hey, can't do this na Benin men. Now they do. Why? Anyone specialize in uwere uwo working revana me Benin or tie or work be me why damwe or go to all the platform of Benin. Now so adultery of their brother. Go to the what they call them. You will see they drag one man, he fuck somebody wife. Go call the other one, he fuck somebody. Benin me I be now one yanjini uwere. Yamana wo konsin ane ni anwe wo kere any wa ogeni wa very their body. No be me talk about na their presenter men. Na him talk. That's why you see most women for social media na so adultery. Why? Because their Benin presenter say their men then iyan gbagbe yan. Iyan ria oju werere yan wa mi were egbe. Iyan ma were ne ogi yan je yan wo wa. So my people, Ijorekia. Now people know when I use money buy, I use juju carry, I use toto carry. They say water. Now Ijore people now know me for who I really am. That I am not a liar and I will never do anything where I know fee agree for our side. Now people know me. If I do math now, people know where. Mama G for general. So number three, Jore. Which one be number three? Just now, eh? Which one be number three? Somebody remind me. Number three. Number three. Clock it. It could be. Netty daughter go always come out the yes smelly boy. He go say, they can't tell my girlfriend. They can't they do my girlfriend. It did thing no they let una settle. It did thing go be like. And he said that now una kondo so jouer no. Oh jouer. The babe no be you. Who got the babe? Una know na Mama G. Mama G. Eh? Now, if una one reason the matter now. It go dey straight. Not be the one that say, it dey vex because Abru can't go dey do it girlfriend. No. You can't be like say Abru's be like all this Benin men where they fuck or walking rare. Abru no they fuck or walking rare. Awa or ni de boga. I bon ne. Or ni de nitan. I genitan. I savait. Or ni de tilapia fish. Ah! Oh, one need the tilapia fish. You know na clock it. Oh, I need the tilapia fish. Hello, Taro Solo. Abu. Abubu. Anyanya. Awo. Asilo. Lagba. That's for mommy. Jure. Who may say no me big banana? Now you're stupid, yeah. Sumo boy desperado, evil child. When they look for people, wife, where one sucky leg, sucky breast, sucky this. Oh, you. Now, if he can't talk, they can't take my girl. Why? Shut up. Oh, you a betrayer. Emi na mariye nwe. Eva e mommy. Hey, oni na sato. Clock it. Which other one? That's 3. Then you already number 4 where they. I can't happy say, I tell you say, you are a shaft. A shaft. Ibobo. Oh, ibobo kwa. Eru gbese. Eru we gbese. Eru wase. I'm not affecting my marriage because me always saga. Either I destroy your mental health, or I destroy that thing where you get, or I finish you. You go here and for body. Yes. Your honor. It not affect my marriage, oh. It not affect my marriage. We clock it day before yesterday. We clock it yesterday. Now clock it. Then it not affect my children. For those of you now where they always say, you don't born grown-up children. Make you take them easy. Your children are looking at you. They will learn from you. I don't know. Say now, mama show na teach you na shawo. Okay, if you walk out bashawo no wana learn. Why you wa jitali wana waswamu dia yokumpo. Wana wa belekia. Okay, now mama teach you na to double date black and white. Now mama hand una for learner. Wow, so I shall go and wawa do bebe webo ni ju wa be kere wana wa learn. Ha saloba mi haneru o saloba la wo mi no sunu dari ho na ni jian na gbashawo yan na learn wo bi jian yan na do gbashawo bi yan wane. So when una not dey stay husband now na mama hand una for learner. God I go pray well since na their mama hand they learn all the miserable thing wey happen to them. My own wash you no go happen to me. You hear? I no be no say na una mama teach you how to do ashawo. I no be no. I wish me no say now because una mama fe do ashawo, na make una know how to do solo piano where all of una can do for abroad. I don't know. See, na make una go Italy, France, Netherlands, Belgium. Me mai give in Niger gwe. Why worry your me? The blood of Jesus is available, more than available for me. You know, say una own mama, una own that time. Na so ajelala, ogunje, olokun de ma eshini me, isago baby, ogome. Holy Ghost fire, blood of Jesus, I go use on my own. My children don't go pick my own. They go live their life because me so. My mama don't know how to do. Baby dance for me. My mama don't know. I know even sure say my mama no doggy style. But me, baby, dance for me. While you poke a mummy agbo. Imagine if I mummy yari. Better worry me mummy hand your book away where dry. Are you crazy? The name mewa. Ya mewa. Yok me hino ya yasin ya o ya. You need to give me natural water. Ya fio boy yo horo. We wa fucky man so have tilapia fish. They will just do this and do us, they do this, do that. They no feel money again. Yes, say que the mommy je adomie me reto, amie me ge panty, amie me gona, amie me ge bread, amie me they collect money for me. Okay, give me something. Water no day. Why? On a vai, on a loloy, on a kind, on a where the moon will not dry. Give me, are you crazy? Monga zero you will not dry. Ya you will not dry. Ya nezi will not dry. Why you carry will not dry. Gavik bia no na gave native doctor ni gwale were. Ya seti twasen your way. Amen. God forbid. I ask you, don't they do now? Who will get dry? I go don't putrid away. Not be me and you. I don't say not do if you do. Still remember, say when mommy needs it very wet. If you can't bring it wet, get her from here. So, my people, you see everything where you do for me. Now everything where you do for me, now be this. Life is good, everything is going on. My mama, you not do the one where me they do so. If my mama they alive now, you go they cry. Say wanna go ebona when we tane we mama we are total. We are the what? Are we the generation Gen Z grandmother. Hey, we are the Gen Z grandmother. This Gen Z where they say the day so. Now we go be the grandmother of their children. Their mama not the year what Gen Z not the year what Gen Z not they do this Gen Z not they do that now me one call Gen Z children Gen Z I want to baby oh yeah Gen Z I thought I want to baby yak I worry me why we prepare Gen Z grandmother yes now me go coco Gen Z grandmother where brother your email if mama they alive now you for know una way be say Eminae, if I call your majana, I can't tell you now. Say, Ashawa wona sabi, cheating wona sabi, or dere wona they go for. People wife wona they licky leg. Now una mama papa na tissue. Clock it. No, you can't clock it. But you say the lifestyle when me go live. Now I go live for Pikin. I don't see better thing. My mama, oh, this lifestyle when me they live, so now my mama teach me. Now my mama teach me when he live there, now he marry mama 26 years. Egg be what dona. He marry ma. We normally live we met it your word of baja. Me no live me dio word of just I don't boy bless me. My man here the ring yakin baby. When ni go baby. Abegi Jore. So now Ijore Kia how market wetin native doctor where you go carry wetin come fit do me now wetin if fit do me say social media people adulterous who they know they call adulterous just give me one presenter where not dey body where they know they call adulterous if you say your mama oh na lie na be say my oh na over lie if you say your own na lie na be say my own too na lie tell me Abi Jore, you yourself, you not be adulterous. Oyibo no marry you. You not stay with Igbo man for years until Igbo man kick you out when money not they come again. You too na adulterous. Who again? Mama Kevi from Victor Odegbe wife. Who monopause. No adulterous. They say money where the man we fe marry and kokobiri a big man. He never come out for Okomu. He don't carry from Victor. The marry inside house marry. Which one? Who not be adulterous? Talk na the one will not be adulterous. Mama na adulterous. Which one? Which one? Now that one you can bring come. It not go affect me. It not affect me. But you now, you are in pain. I see video where you do. I go analyze them later. 8 o'clock when my May TikTok go come. You say, Edo tradition. Oh, we can show you man because my no ze illiterate girl. No feel upgrade yourself. Useless girl. Call of it, but come make come talk for you. No, yeah. And then I'm going to marry her on one condition. When she gets pregnant and the day that we sure that Pikin is alive, that we will be doing dedication, that is the day I will marry her. That is Ijore Kia. That is the promise Ovigbo gave to you. That the day you will get belle, you will born. He not go marry you, but the day he go show say, "Mona, I be." He go don't reach how many months. You know one go. He said 1 year. 1 year. The Pikin go do 1 year dedication and birthday. That day he go marry you join. Till today. Mami bebo ya bebo. Mami go ya de. Mami go ya point. Mami go ya we agree me go. Ijore. Major where be say na social media mouth now you get me on ground. On social media too. Area go kulo. Area go samakwe. Na iwa jena. Area wa samakwe. Omo no wa mo re ba me. Na mi we imagba we mi so de ona do mo iwa fan wo ni san boy. Okpagire vegiro because I wish I quickly talk that time say This girlfriend where they talk, my people, not my girl. Everybody know, not my girl. I kill you way, egi weti me, igualo no kaka. Weti me, ye kworo. Only are you going to a cute wetty why you wake your name only wet get out of my life. That is why all these women will be say long time, like some people that time will be say long time. Mama Lulu de ye call. Only this one, mama. I'll go back to my topic. Just this one. All those women will be say long time something go do the house my kia or they no get man or something they worry them and do honey. Ew, mega mwegbeni ame sakwa bo egbeni gi ma awa we ane de gbe several koso ka on re bet mami ave na no ya friend dik bia bai na e na ma we are needing a wet because I wanna mfua and we are moya for yen so avie because e ni aya need egbe emi nwere ni ya okay, so now is your rekia listening good. You not see nothing for this saga now. You they go call Edo Ekasha ima wave tradition idenwe later. Ogyoba boa usungu bedene wirowa ogyoba enoba kan you wo ugbeo. The time when me tell you say this thing go worry you until you go die. See Anna, you can't call a donor make the answer. Who want answer? You the mad? You the grace? I be you just say a donor Juliet no one. When you don't disgrace, can't they give an organ money? Who me mea? I be no now where they beg Juliet on one man do on one yakin. And so what? If you ever moment near girl away, but not the women know. You the praise? How you go they submit caution? Which caution? You don't need them. I not tell you say that your knee. Say oga boy. Get pride, you don't finish you. I not tell you. You just say the joke. See you now. How can you now call a dog tradition that they will answer you? Okay, if they answer you, they can't call me. What if they want to tell me? They'll say, Monica, oh, you bad do party, where mama. Or are me where you are here do? You just ba. Get where I'm answer to your status. Because me, Monica, I answer to my status. I will not they call them. I don't know. Me myself, don't even know what it may be. That's why if somebody call me, you be bo, it will mine because he la law. Even where that be my yet be making me what the jebe once in a way cool boy your way. Once in a way, you got me any gualem where he cool boy your way. Joy be would say with Sewario. And yet disturb me. Do not a mature once in a while with a baby cool boy. Oh, yeah, no what do here. We're dressing you do I take your move? Hello, what's up? Baby, what's well? No, I know they do that one. No ma, if not be this una useless native daughter, the local champion where they see for a war me. And dina get celeb. Oh, women near Bugaba, near the Talebi bay. Anna Tale now. Origin or you were at a log way. Give me. I mean, social media. All see in a media social media. Ya do when I do there. In a daughter in a do. Yes, so. In a don't let that manage. In a just squeeze one winning. The social media tea affecting me. And my being. Yes. Because I mean, me social media no. I do tale ya kwa vibai. Jorekia, where you know the shape. Waiting, you can't say make a dog caution. Call me for now. If they call me, who they want to say report me? My husband say he no report me. Egbe no report me. You go no report me. Imara wa ma do waji. Omaro pa ma so ladia we manika do mohemu. Error. Omaro pa o mana pe wa mi eniyan no te ta we monika do mohemu. Ima do hemu. Other phone Emma way for a very long time. That was the phone me. A kia problem. Oh, he was a ta na woman. Mate we bona there o better. Oh, I do have who? I mama, I even a young lawyer was said, and I waggle one more than a hair. If they bring a coin, you bring the instrument we are going to use. Eh? Nah, you not your body. You not your body. Ben on gualeji. Oh, mon meme. Je vais no guier. Mon mime, ne mon mime. Eba mi o. Okay. So I don't know. I mean, no action. They bobo no. They repair no. They atwa no. Imae wagi ni no wamu no ne. No wamu ne wagi. Osalo ba dege me. We yoi. Yoi. O atwa bi agbon na ton. So is your care we not the shame. What you can gain now? Wish a don't want answer you now Orionba. I not tell you say you be Orionba. Where nobody go mind you anytime. Even the people where they call you mommy now. Oh yeah, make problem with them. Last year, say she be me go. I go call you everything. I'll say if they call you Orionba, me no call you. At the name I give you. Everybody knows say you be Orionba, whether you like it or not, makani. If they don't use you 5 finish, if you reach their turn, they go call you Orionba because that is who you are. Oma no fear. Where the Abamati Orionba nu when we are time no Orionba. But on a certain few nu giedo. On a few nu, he throw useless months. Make a back on come and come be like Joreabi. Make a back on reply Jore. Make God punish you. Orion Bano. On no two ever babako. Orion Bano. Jore, if you like, settle with anybody. They don't go call you inside their heart. They know say you be Orion Ba. And you they two things like me. Wait till they not can't put. Now you they can't put. All the interview where you do with native daughter, God use and take give me freedom. Enjoyment, mama. Clocky. And the use and take expose native daughter. Today, he cannot lie. Ambro carry a girlfriend. Ambro no carry a girlfriend. He carry my girlfriend. Yahweh Boganoto. Niya Save. Come and buy. A we. Ojue. Let's go. They cry. Follow another person. Wife. I want little leg. I want to do this. God forbid. Jore, our market. I will be back later, my people. This woman, you know, quick me doing because it's going to the time. Thank you, thank you. So, get another woman video where I be one play. Abi, me I play here now. So that if I come back later, it will be Jore. Me I play here. Wait, me I see whether na here I put. Jore, I'm okay. Oh, a big binayero. People where they look. Thank you, my love. People where they look. 5 still there. Who don't win? Hey. You are not jobless in Jesus' name. You can't be jobless and be giving me gifts. It's not your portion in the name of Jesus. Just say you day holiday. Show me love. Show me love. Show me love. I be young girl. See, I can turn around. Ijore cannot wear short thing. Can't turn around. No shape. No man. They die. Elephant shape. Small girl where they dress like juju. Ni amugbe. Ijore they dress like you. See me with 3 grown-up children where God bless. See ya. Our market. Okay, more listen to this woman small. I get mirror for her. I get mirror for her, so my darling. You not like the shabia where you rod okwere, our shawo. You be Isha man where they pull eye for another woman, another man, wife, body, Ashara. Now woman, I say, enjoy see me, woman to woman. You will be man. You they say whether I get mirror for us. Where it concern you, concern my shape. If I like, I get shape. If I like, not get shape. I be married woman with somebody for 26 years. Yao you make very a shower me. Nonsense. So I'm more listening to this woman because this motivational things where we they do for social media, the way some people they say they will feed doing is alarming.
Connecting to Monica's iPhone. Monica's iPhone connected.
See that a lot of women that don't have sense, they're already applauding Monica's husband, Ambrose. Yes, this is the real man. Why would you people call him the real man? Any man you people are able to turn to vegetable, turn him to a quack that can no longer act like a man. That is what you people call real men these days. I don't know what is wrong with some women of this generation. You see a man that is talking out of point.
So, madam, the man that is the real man is the one that will come and do this one. Abi? This one are the real man. Is this the real man?
Yes, so.
This is the real man. Madam, is this the real man?
See that a lot of
man where go bring his wife in with his wife, go they fight for social media. They curse each other family, they raise. Now it be real man. Madam hypocrite. Isha wish. It too pain una share this una brother where are you juju take. As una do wish rich una not fit break on 26 years. 11 years I don't they shine for una eye. Now so na get wish una fit do me anything. Madam, as I use my husband turn to bitter leaf, where do leave, water leave. He never go hospital one day. He pikin never go one day. They never fail for school one day. Calamity never before us. We see each other young for this abroad. I see him for Aduro can where he no get paper. They come for my present. 3 months into, I be 1 month. We met in September. They give me paper in October. For my eye. Till today. He came to UK, he brought me and the children. Water leave husband. Waiting you, if we say we will dig your nyash just now. That they beat you for Issa house, Issa go baby. That they beat you, they curse your papa, curse your toto for Issa house. Essa shower, now your husband, they call you. He pay una sha. The way they pay, you where your husband be akpoko na pepe. You where your husband be a maton, or you want with maton go. Who ye. You don't know, as big as you are, I wish you what you wish me. You see, my husband not they beat me. My husband they pamper me. My husband they love me. My husband they support me. Local tree will live. Local baby. They my back, they my front, they my side, they all round. Anyhow, when you take bring and go summer you for Monica. He pay you. I wish you what you wish me. That kind of husband where they beat person, where be pepe, where be koboko, where be a maton, where they beat wife, where they disgrace wife. I wish it for your daughter if you have one. If you don't have one, I wish such wife to your son in the mighty name of Jesus. For you not to like my abandoned husband, you like me be say make it come beat me for you where we don't know before. You not be mama, you not be sister, you not be brother, you not complain to you. I return it back to your household in the name of Jesus. I the pity the kind calamity will go happen to our children, just the pity them, but I don't have choice. If you wish me evil, I will return it to your children. wish my marriage to be fire. Where husband beat me, where husband disgrace me, where husband called Alalue, Ashawo, Abaneze, wherever. I wish it to that man that will marry your daughter. He is going to be harsh. Your daughter will not feel love. Your daughter will not feel respected. Your daughter will not be able to do whatever you like in a marriage. Your daughter will be controlled. Your daughter will be caged. Your daughter will suffocate, depressed, and it will die like that. In the name of Jesus. Except if that is not what you wish me. If that is what you wanted my husband to do, your daughter will jam a man that will stop her dream. Now that one you go call love. Shegewaka. 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 Useless Ishan woman. Wish jealousy. This I don't know now. I know now my papa tell us before we marry Ishan people, he tell us how we'll take marrow now. That's why I do like this, I do like this, I do like this, I do like this. I catch out the good one. I catch out the good one. I not catch out primitive one. I catch out the one where mother-in-law they speak good English. Good morning, my wife. How are you? Have you eaten? How are my grandchildren? What are you doing today? I marry the one where grandmother 70-something years old mama they speak English. They speak correct English. And they come here, I come marry on a wish mother. Ishan primitive wish coven. I don't marry Ishan primitive. I don't marry breast, plafond Ishan, crop Ishan. I don't marry Ishan where they call club, crop. I know marriation where they call platform. I know marriation where they call blessing. Please, primitive, Ibigwe, Ishan people, leave me and my marriage alone. Leave me and my marriage alone. Now you useless. Look at you. You are useless. For you to open mouth, insult another man picking my husband go senior you this dirty big fool woman. Ashawo! Esachawo, I need you waka wina januwa. Wa warrior. The character where you the show. So now your mama teach you. If they want, they don't see we any mama can love anyway. You get children. Wait till you sabi now your mama teach you. Ashara muta now your mama teach you. Now your mama they stand for road. Ashawo no mama. Why are you hoy? If they trace now, you not get husband. When they don't, Ishan woman no fit get husband. Okay, if you see their brother, I mean I Sabian. You not go cry for this one, my brother. I go lock him for his side, but I'll give him ukome to relax. Your husband when you not lock for bottle, go look him. You not relax. Never use Range Rover one day. Since when you did this UK, if a boy fear kun le loue. Jealousy, CRCB, Ishan wish.
Have sense, they are already applauding Monica husband Ambrose.
Because the gospel, they not be like you.
Why would you people call him the
primitive Ashawo?
Any man you people are able to turn to vegetable, turn him to a poor that can no longer act like a man.
Now your man be man, your man a man. If your man a man, I swear, this type of insult you know give to man we go senior you. My husband senior you. Which he shall born you because the real shall. They know they insult their elder. Re-ishan. Never. If you like, not be their brother, not be their sister. As far now, why they will never interfere. But una rubbish wayward Ishan Ashawo women. We come abroad, come learn what una mama do remain. Una go they cause una Ishan brother. That's why I tell una say the so-called acclaim Ishan family on social media in disown una. I think say don't disown una. Egi waya ya. Ma disown wa. Ishan okagbe on social media with disown una because we know our okagbe in that moment. We know our okagbe in that moment. Ishan okagbe in social media. Now so we give una. We disown una. We no call una. We know say can't teach you how to do character. Why are you Ishan illiterates? I shall do me way. Now you want to teach my husband, you get mama. Now you want to teach how to get character. You will not get character for on wine. Who born that Ishan picking? We don't know on wine. How they take the respect on wine. Except the useless one. Wow, useless one. If you see many Ishan people now, they rather fight, say, we Ishan, we need our Ishan. Instead of them to do saga, that's what they are doing. Because to just insult or no insult them, they hardly do it. But you see now when ho like this. That's what you do. You will just be insulting somebody's son, somebody online, somebody's husband that did not call you for your life. Somebody.
That is what you people call really men these days. I don't know what is wrong with some women.
They not get husband for Anna, so they
see a man that is talking out of point. You see a man that don't have sense anymore.
Yeah.
No real man that have sense will be telling you, fuck other people, fuck Ishan people. There is no real man that will come out to make a point and will be.
He said, fuck Ishan people on social media, people like you. My husband don't know you. He can never associate with you. Once again, I am delivering the message. Fucking mother Ishan family on social media. Fuck you. That's what we say. Clock it. Because the real Ishan, anywhere where they foresee my husband, now why? The real Ishan know the kind Ishan man where my brother be. Where my husband be. You say you self-acclaim my Ishan brother and sister on social media. Fuck you. That's what he said. Clock it. You know, pour water for mountain when he say fuck you. You don't they cry. You never see cry. Uncalled family. Uninvited Ishan people on social media. Fuck you. I worry. No time where una dey see good thing where una brother do except make it come beat Bini wife. Hey, una go wait tire. Because na me be Monica. This Mama G, you never see him. But this Mama G, na Bruce's wife. Big man wife. You hear him yesterday? I am the big man. You hear him? Udege Kenina Lane. You see where I for learn? Monica, that your share. You see where I for learn? I learn from the best. Monica, the big man wife. Clock it. Clock it. Clock it. Clock it. Clock it. Clock it. Ishan family on social media, Mona enters. Enters! With that your rubbish life. The Chris. Now, Benin man. Now you go beat Benin woman for social media, yes? Now Benin man go beat Ishan wife. That's when Ishan bakarata wish wife. All those one will be single mother. We don't know themselves again. We don't give respect to Ishan tribe. We don't allow man to marry them the way Ishan women they do. Now Benin me go they beat you now the Samako. But you see the correct Benin guests, the correct Benin women, we know their self. Ishan man can never beat us. Ishan man will love us. Ishan man will respect us. He go the pepper una. Go the pepper useless Ishan family on social media. No, Ishan man is. I'm enjoying Ishan man. Clocky. I know they pay Ishan family on social media. So-called Ishan family. Please, with the song you got yesterday, clock it. We have disowned Ishan people on social media, the so-called family. Those that uninvited family. Uninvited, no Ishan. We don't know where you guys are from. We are from Ekpoma. You guys are from Ikeke villagers. What you doing? I'm going to nonsense, jealousy people, wish, snake. You not go ever see better Ishan. All the better Ishan women, they my wife, because they know who I am. But you go see this jealousy pokmite, illiterate bon fou. Where husband don't turn to tradition. Tradition one fien iwe. Liar, ashawo. You You will get Oyibo. You also travel now. Go see your Oyibo for Italy. But you get man for us. No jima vekbe, yanje, ashawo, with no time.
No tradition, Isha tradition, where he came from, because he loves it. And he's talking about, I will be the one to make tradition in my own home. Which home? Is it your Kwekus that Papa Iwala have been swimming all these years? He said, Monica, you own.
You see? I not tell you now. I never even hear this one. Oh. I never even hear this one. Abemona help me go look for this woman husband if he gets. If this woman get husband, somebody help me. I don't keep this Ishan woman. I don't be this Ishan woman. Because you know why? Sumo picking cost can pay Ishan woman. Ibeshan woman now. Second up Paika don't free from my hand because Paika don't free me. I don't finish this one. I go do you like I do Paika. Now me turn on Paika to Zaga Zaga, et de talo talo, et de zuzuzu, et de tito day, no fish engine. Na me na, on a be kame, on a be, but yakara, I prescribe no fick, isha way no now say you thought to mouse my draw. I beat a ciele lot. Nisanya. I beg somebody help me with this woman husband. I go so beat you. I go beat you. I go bring your ex-boyfriend come out. I go bring the one where still they fuck you as you be so. I go rubbish you because I be the look for which is woman. I want to replace Okpaika. Eh? I can't beat Okpaika again. I'll just leave and make the top because it already set me free. Don't let everybody know say I be Mama G. You don't let me know. Let people know. Say yes. If not be some people when they cannot do that interview, finish waiting for a year for that interview. Or by not be saying I go call leg or they shake like this. I be just said that the way no say no it been your hona. I was jouer. What it be your name? This one. Should I come and pick you? What time? So far, okay, bye. Anything? Oh, no need. You can papa fetele. 35, okay. Bye, love. I bet Mona see the name. Becky, Mona help me, Matilda. Where the name? Who doing today? What best a rumosele? Please, I need a husband. Me see whether I get husband and children. Single mother wabi no. Oh God, I feel tell una say na single mother where they fuck white man. Eesh. Oh, Ambrose, why it be say your tribe we no get white, we no get husband? Why husband Isha ekia depending? See, single mother. Oh, you know, get husband. Oh my God. Anyway, I go still beat you as I beat up my car because when I started the beat up my car, you know, get husband. I beat and he fake husband. I beat and he come on for the first way, one room way day. I beat and for everything, but I cannot beat her now because me no we messy. Up my car we messy. But what let we where oh now we say me see maybe na your husband me I first screenshot this one because anybody where I want hand meet now we go beat you. You know fit talk to my when you go scoff me I go look whether your mama dey me I beat your mama. Hell Jesus. Hey, make una go help me or go check a wall, pick everything pickable. Yagbuegbe. Hariohoe, useless woman. No even come off for ground. Nothing. What do you want tell me where I know fit tell you? What do you want tell me? At that dress, I shall bring your toto. Make I check on dog yourself. You the craze. I know say that one now. Many of you now go the look. You the craze. Nyama nyama. Now this one me don't still take. Now yours one be this one so. See, so more boy now put you for us. Why you not go jealous and bros? Go look you be like a dede. You make me wet me wet. Eh? See as you be. Eh? So more boy now you put for us. Eh, Wobby, look your life. And they come for you. Now you are to replace the dog baika. Because your baika woman say. Baika woman say, oh, baika woman say, oh, kita ne mako, tiyak bakwa, keka, jore a market. They are call you for, now. Egi me akon, no ya fio my, jore. Adotro! You matie me do. Jure, uwa go kwa kan. Social media we wa go ujebe na go magbon. Otoke kan, to beg go yari e gbagbon ma kowe. You no get level, you no fit do anything. Ordinary driving license me you dey drive dey go see Monica. Go see J-boy. E ye gba mu moto yan pa. O mamia o mi yeke. Go see us where you get. They say una dey share kitchen. Which kind Oyibo ass be that? You don't say Oyibo give you ass. See this my ass now, join enter here. Boy, I don't enter kitchen. What do you see for life? Eh? Jore Kia, so on social media. They don't call me, oh. I just want to report. Say, Edo matieme yan wama kanyajo. Yan we yak be me yan kuro me. Yan we yan de me jo yan matieme o Jore ba hen ba ne na ne wa yak be nana. Jore. Edo kosho, enemy kosho. You no go e work Kyoba market. They say they want put sumo atarodo for your toto. Finish. Sumo wa yan ma woga bun enye donate 20 we ya vin wo e. Uwe nou ya we ikbieva be France na fi nou get boy. E jore yan tie we do. We je don we ya report ge Monica mwe ku onore we bo yari ya sake ya. No gbe ma ho se ya because you bon ga so ama no gbele kwa we. E jore buy ticket me you go Bini. Oya go Edo. Go Obama ke if you reach Obama go we mo jore yen kare akpoko na pepe yen swe you akpiko ni. Uwe we ni e wa ban we pantiri yo to yen swe e pepe yo. You no go Benin ya fear nye you he jore. So na social media you just dey do. Hey, nothing that way you break on. You not even fit do me anything. I just expose am well. Oju e no wa eze jo eh. O Jacques mo Jérémy. Oju e no gwa lo kwere no muho no ma mi on a vie. Oji no duerie bo gwere. Uwe no dova bo gwame. O dorie. Yorie be mi yo be sohia. Ungrateful elements. Jore, how you want waka? Because both you and the native daughter now go beat you now. No, fit do me anything. I go the expose native daughter. Ojue no, ojue. We na mariye ne ogwa lo hia. Ave lelika. We, Eh? Ijore kia. How you want waka? You not go Edo State go report. Say Monica wants spoil Ihwa bono carry. You not go report. Say Monica wants spoil the Ihwa bono no go monkey position, a doggy position, a bo position, ukpa position, or that position. The Kenyana Muyari Adoman Agi Domanori yes, no Yawina Wukbo Joren Wo Wabon. Eh? Jore Betty quick go Edo State no go me liata mi eke ni na gwe. Gi ano me Monica wana gwe webo wana gwe e proof iro igelere webo. This one now not be say na Nigeria dey here we Monica wana gwe webo. Ijore you no go and make you go tell them. No gi atie me. Monica wana gwe tru wa. Monica wana gwe tiri wa. Monica wana gwe webo wana gwe webo yana gwe webo. go lie for you. And where we not going now? I go lie for you. Jure lao. And yet pake kan wa no if you can resist it. There's a sumo Madame Jeanette. Sumo Pepe. The ojo iye wa ye viwo e. Iye wa ye viwo e. They will come listen to you. Who wear her man? Iye wa kill weapon. They go put pepper for inside your totori. As they put pepper for your totori, you come tell them say, oh, I don't come here. Oh, I want to tell you now what they happen. Oh, Monica don't smell like where. Oh, you no go lie for them. No, I not go lie for you, my darling. I go lie for you. We are not go away, bo. Jore kiyan tiene. Emi kemi no mo gweta no e. Ujo gwe bejo a. Wana mioe, iyoko wana lene ya. Deke no na lene mi na ewe bono. Ewe bono. He said the best food we don't eat now was he shop boki or he shop yo. The best like we don't live now. You know see when he say married that day, go see the day we marry. The day don't even live on before we hear they shine. Go see you we know hey. Where the day the make bomb me was sick baby very not so easy. They decrease the demand. But that woman they decrease. Where they follow equal in a rock. Thank you. Let's respect ourselves as beneath. Thank you, my lady. At the same time, you will tell Ijorekia to get inside. You should stop disrespecting remarried women in abroad. You should not use them to do saga. But if you say that is what gives you joy, then you don't have right to come and tell me anything. That is it. He said the boss bottle. Me make I told him I know they talk on. When the person go make me, I know they talk and say now because na social media now will they use my if not grand. If not grand, go bust you. Mo ibo kon now. I go bust you. Cause I be over dok bologun ask over tanka. I'm sorry. Make your set me fuck up. Ni mare lueti mani o. Me go be tanka hin. Me get tanka bi me. Ma we ni no jerry ma o. Emi no gbegbe una jima we no gbegbe se me ma ojo wa o me tokun monitobo era me yakoke ma monitobo I kun ya ye kpakpakpa aye kai you know the CJ boy body go make monitobo yo station ba wa dan mi mage egbe maji. So my people, Ijorekia. So how market the fight of 2026 has come to an end. Monica gain it well, not do me anything. Go and look outside. All evil women, evil Ishan women are crying. Evil Ishan women, even my Benin people, they don't even cry again. They just say, Monica, money where I am because I'm your man. No, now sugar you no 12. But you see that wicked Ishan snake with the social media where they force their self as family. Now God will punish you now because we disown you now. By now today, you know, so for more and they talk our matter again because we are not your Ishan person on social media. The Ishan where they respect now will be not be you, no ho where they look for downfall of your brother. Where they look for Ishan brother where one come disgrace his wife, fight his wife. What beo me de nowhere. Since wo yesan we mi area why ye plaster we you we since wo ne no yesan no ma one ro. What beo come set your love put for inside our house now. Come tell me when to give my husband back. Come now. Come tell me when to sleep with my husband. What are your primitive village champion we come abroad come do a shower. Can't they pretend for ye? Can't tell the fellow Ishan people what you can't do for abroad. What you do for Italy? A shower woman. You are useless. Now your mama teach you Now your mama show you that thing where you go do for there. You get grown children. Now waiting your mama do, you they do so. You waiting your mama do, now you they do. And now when our children go do, leave my own for me, because not be waiting my mama do me, they do so. For that reason, my own picking have their own life to choose. They not being baby. Very sound-minded people. What are your hoy? Now my mama teach me money carry me. Is your mama there? Biki, Jore, la wo get releasing one if money ko ni rogo do magisu omi babo. Aba you know tata unu oya babe baba. E kuni ne mo koni. E kuni ne ti jowa. E kuni ne gbogbe. E kuni no ta love social media. E kuni ne mo do. E kuni no ma bie omu oboy o ma be bie na be yigo de ne huemu. E kuni fake life. E kuni pretender. E kuni ne ti dress be na a small girl. E kuni never driving license. E kuni no di moto kun. Dogele do kun na mai. Yari bere. Yari bi moto ne ni we jere. Eh. Ni ga di ami o pa be mo no. Daddy cool. Oh no. Oh no. Eba mi sọ̀rọ̀ ni. Eba mi sọ̀rọ̀. 1 minute. Let me see if I will see one here. Oh, no, nothing. I don't know where he dropped on yesterday. Eh? Ijore no hohwa. Ijore zuo. Ijore no bogbe. Wa mama mi akaka. Wa mama go mi akaka. Ge ni awo mama mi ogogo. 11 years, or said no ya mo me 10 years, o mami. Or said no ya we moto, ume. Or said no ya mo o one mo koni. You no get. He rich me you take buy man, whether they use juju buy, whether they carry with money, whether they buy with money, whether they use money cocoa, the one where they love person natural, which one you get? You know they. Me now, I get the one where I use money buy. I get the one where I look for bottle. I get the one where I take ton to a bondodon. Where you abroad me. Eh? I get the one where I used to carry. Where you own? Where you own? Abroad me that they say you used to carry on, or you use a bondon carry on, or you use juju carry on, or you use money buy on. Jore where you own? Since abroad me na cheaper chico. At least you not see the one where I buy. The one where I buy is Sando. According to Domumu, he say if the you do one, he still they talk like this. He say, wala de o. E Monica ye juju buy your to, ama ye juju bada. Oga tunga man, oga tebe. Aye ye juju buy. Oh yes, sand. The sand is so be where ish and woman. Man's sand pass your useless husband. When mezu ozo. When they will call just now, you go they speak like Ishaman when no go school. God go punish you. You will get local man. Talking to my husband, are you man? You this useless Ishan Ashawo woman. Thank you for the gift, guys. Anyone where you come, my dear, Bobo, Bebe, Sheshe, Kwekwe, Daughter, Ditri, anyone you call, as fast you wash me. I am the one you wash. Don't worry. You must pay a price. Everything in life, there is a price. Okay? So, my people, I'm coming. I'm seeing you guys soon. Get no J. See, okpokpite we marry small pikin. Okpokpite, I dey come for you. I dey come for you. Come sama kwe your picture for big computer. Wait for me. You go hear me. May God punish you. You don't even need to play your audio finish. I dey come for you. I go play and finish later. My people, now do well. I will be back. It's a quick do too safe. Wait, nick me wakba. Yatamo we bye. Shankman, no face. He shan't jealousy women. Becca, don't worry. I know they beat you again. But By your time, I dey talk that thing you see me. Me will say I want to learn Ishan. Me I take on saga. Like I no need again. No need. I no go learn Ishan to go saga you. I no saga you again. I dey grateful for what you do for me. To say you want to do me, you can't do yourself. So we say, basi yata obilo, obilo. We ki uni me, we ma we uni me. We say wo mama call, mama do, peka mama. But you know be my mother-in-law, like no fit for my husband. Oh say we say, obilo. Correct Ishan people. Wado aje, wado mama, wado papa. Why say ye esan ne asin ni muwaria? Esan man where they like another man wife. God forbid. Ye, why jelerio? Ave na, and we both believe kwa. Today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. I will make you happy birthday. Ese no lume, ore me na gogo. Eka me aka, ya teso, ise so go. Today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Oh say, obilo Jesu. Obilo. Benu po ade, eti boni se ame o. Jesu me di me no. Ese no sabe me na kuje o. Mudia ni me, we ma di me ke o. We na re da nu pe. On social media, the ones where they force themselves for our body with the son in the mighty name of Jesus. The rubbish one, the primitive one. Those where they put our work for Ishan wife clothes. All for you on my head. Now go worry on children. Now go worry on. When una money more, now go worry on for our husband. In the name of Jesus. Enjoy better wife. Let me go enjoy equal wife. Shake it. I shall go to the area. Wish. Now people and sisters know they stay on my house because of you. Bad sister in your family. Celebrate. Leave your body, leave your door.
Yes, so Mama God, you
too much. Taika.
It's wet on the bed.
But there you. Oui, j'adore. Il j'adore rowa. Ok? Oui, j'adore. Wo. Yeah. Ouais. Et sister dorme. Il met sister dorme. Rowa. And bunyi me we. But we sending me. Whoa, say. Make it ta. In Kyle, in Kyle. So no bana wear. So, where ki mo ari na. Oh, we mo ari o da paika. O paika ki kae, paika ti tare. Ọ̀pá kí wọ́n ìrìẹ̀ san yà hàn ìrìẹ̀ dò yà hàn èèmọ̀ yà ní rotẹ́wé bò hà hàn ebe na we ya ki he go me boy okpa ika ebe na bo okpa ika o me na bo okpa ika na ebe ni me gwalo na simobo ebe na woke oma ke mana pa nya mi aki sokpa ika me aki ga ho do mani me hiari ga gbeponya ese dede ezaga zaga osaloba ki mu ono ho no wa o dididi okay mugime ona me ya wo pa ika mi aki gbe ya gbe je ona me je igbera ona mera igbodo ya igbodo iga mi omo ya gbo ye because o kita where make imomo no piave me na mi ovie mi aki salo vie vason we ki heme ede agbe ovie rabu kaka yes na yes you know why my papa say mo no marriage he say but una na dey ya wey if una must marriage come me I give una at the marriage that's why marriage for 26 years people say you shall not go no my papa teach me the one where we go marry where we don't go see like Okpaika. Go see all the sister-in-law we married to Okpaika brother, all of them are widow. Husband where they go married, they don't sell all of them. Now so they all this one where they lali a finger, they lali nya where they lali san. Eriye na we yaki yekba ina yekba be. Igba. Mo Monica, okwe don't know bina no yesan. Enabio mo bina no mo. Hey, Ambrose in Lejeva. Eji Ambrosi gbe na Ambrosi obo kan Ambrosi Monica igbon wa na Ambrosi no ya kiriye native doctor ike igbe imu basic oge igoro isie GC isie owo pana laga agbo mi na ke mi ma kwe ye isie ogwe fefe wa layo tore isie gbere ikula boyo desene okay aba okay mi me de okay tagadeu make it time police where nu where ki lo de ni me la e chesu we no because we are na lo de ni me la make it somewhere e police kere me yo popo gbuwewa me yo popo me gbuwewa we police where e lupo ni la o ma kan le we ga wu we lupo ni me la nu we ta we stubborn e police kere mi e triugbe mi e polugbe mi e siugbe idiye we gboto unwe ahowe unwe igiage ya ivale ya isiwe bere na go no police kere yo ke ga no gbe gbogbo we no agi gwo ga mi ya bere yana agwe no kono make it beer we aki muime omo me di beer is your mom me hi okbia we ki muime ri me gbokbia okbia no do mu dia yo de ode suku ovi me yen ki beer ona e suku ye mo bo uheni e dumu wo wime enyi hi ogbon adia na uheni e dumu wo wime e si gomo da ni e dumu wo wime no sense. So this woman, I pray may my lover, may the entire world, may they collect better information. Now you are out to replace Okpaika. Now you are out to replace Okpaika. Because Okpaika don't do me good, me I leave her. Won't take away with the fight. Finally, even no gwalo wegbe. Okay, nyoy. After all, you know, say from the beginning of these two women fight, now Okpaika fe do juju, na manami awoye, amami yeke, ebi no masunu atalo, I tell you no sunu, awak baba ya atale ni no masunu, ebi no wasunu baba. Agata, I don't. This is Okpaika na concept and free, so it's okay. Okay, Okpaika, wo, ose, ma kegbina. Me wa veni we ya we bo wa veni o ma kan me aki gbe we me aki gbu we Oh my kame, we so ni me we. Yes now. Emi no wegbe. We me we. Oh no na. Okay, if you no gia o we. Okay, swenya o we. Okay, if you no giu we me. Uwe ni me ma yak pek mi lo. Uwe ni me ma yak boto. Ema ya no me ma yu we me boto. Me wa mose. Me wa shabu. We daddy me. U daddy me ni me mo gba shabu. We asha. Afimeje. Wewe ni medo sili boba ni medo awe oli megwa we oli megwa we oli e mama ji me hin bogi kame kan ishan woman we go dey insult my husband we get mama aha gbomoju wa we ba boga fi ekunle luwa una wise pass mama you wise pass ishan mother we get you pikin you wise pass anu no we gbo. Me my husband come to radical. You think say na Libya follow cars? Agbe. You will put a Libyan man where they don't feel fucking nyash put for us. Eh? Your husband na Libya follow enter abroad. Go ask and they fucking nyash. Nonsense. Hello, Jay.
Hello, Jackie.
You are blessed, mama.
You are blessed, oh.
Oh, yeah. Ire titoko.
You will come on with me now. You didn't know your fight. I will not on up here. Moto na do for. Oh, no. I do.
Efu imoto pe ika ni ona release mi ya no gbalo emi ya no gbalo ile.
Yeah,
exactly. Jere emi no sunu me igbina ata emi no ma sunu ya ata Jesus. Obewe husband don't marry me 16 years before we come social media. When you kokome na social media, we dey social media start to dey pay for year. I don already spend 20 years with Ambrose. Before social media, what it be 20 years? How long social media take pay? Eh? If you see my way they turn to abandon, you go no and you useless illiterate nonsense. If not because say na bro say you can't use total work, you na person, you go feel become anybody. Now we ain't one. Okay, he marry husband in a mansion. Action boo. We ain't one. Yeah, one. Me job up by can we no here in the bay or a contract in my vaphone. Because okaika okawebo nana miewe igbina sunu ni ma agbe no sunu aya atem yore agatie I get yasi I get moto I get now that one happen for us. Exactly. My pikin grow, your pikin this, you get hair, you not get hair, your ass not good. Now that one cause problem. I was saying no was we no dry. When I yekia over some was saying I told you salobo we say oh can not like a mumejo, you be the moment you talk. God forbid. Oh, here bear Otesan, odeno jo imote dangote ohin agbi motor re awa nuri ejo mo pon Now go destroy your home. You useless woman. If not, you be person where be say I know where you dey pass. I'll go stand for them. If I don't beat you, you know no say I be Monica. I go beat you. You are blessed, CJ. Thank you. Let's say Let's say. Oh, come to pass. Yeah, after how many years? Thank you. Oh. Where's CJ? Make it in your way. A bomb is blocking you. Gang. Gang. Make a dance ijore fat dance. Gang. Wagbe. Aga mani ma ko ni roboto. I magari e ma. Eriano. Agba gogo mutawe gioma. Jore ru yagbe. Eru yagbe wa me hia yo nre be ring road. Eru yagbe. Yage gbo agagbe. Wa be fe gbo evi igie yo agbo abuwo wa. Iwa we. Azua. Iwa we. Ege ni no me mune kere. Iwa tiyan. Ege na. Ekme na ya lo de yan gi. Ya tiyan bon we camera. Ka o me camera wa e go doni. Because he almost to zogian benogian basse. If you may have him me get ya luyan the bio or phone. So far, he ain't neck bian. No, he neck be. No, he no. It do be a jay do mune. Junior bruise ke he ain't neck be one. No, he neck be no, he no. A mono and neck baby, ya me. Then ya a neck bian. Iria ya no. A resort de UK. Oro manje bo wana si. On me va non ni des resort au university. Il y a un million this. Bien tell. Peut-être comment? Distinct. I don't know. I tell you. Pass if you want to pass. I don't want to pass. Okay. What is that they call? What is your boy get today? Distance. What is that call resort? Yeah, no, level. I mean the result when somebody gets a distinction. A distinction. Nonsense. You don't remember nationina. Ebe mi wano. Me ma e bana ina ti obiwe. Ina obiwe. Ba tie mi no hiwe no na tema me jore. O ma ho ina we mi no tama we. Why la don we. Thinking true. Biological son. Biological children. You no go see husband. You no go see anybody where you go and say, I bet what is that they call that thing? Is it biological? May that correct you say no, na biological, na biological. Umie! Ode! Ebo ya zobo, who stay yeba o, because wala wogwa, iyo boe. Ekia nemeni, uwe wana miyo. Ekia negiamula den, uwe wana miyo. Ari yoho, ekia nemeni, ekiwi beleka. Ekie, kolas. We meje we. Ni meya mwa gbowe webo. 26 years origina. No magmo ya mime no ya hen. Well, baby, what is your name? My name is Monica. What is your name? My name is Monica. What is your name? My name is Monica. Ari yoho, when they were 20, almost 30 years in Abronti today. Daddy could go, see Daddy could the right. J-boy got all 3 destinations. is all cause in all its causes. Monoin negbe. What think he be? Well, where social media can't affect me for grand. Me, Monica Large for grand. If you like, there. She say I be like you. Or when social media, money the social media for any profile. The time where I need social media, I don't use them. Nah. I need social media to declare where I foresee money to bias. I don't use social media to do I am a motivational. Now, I don't need social media to take go school. I don't go school finish. I don't need social media to take get my job. I already don't get my job. I didn't work. See payslip. They don't already send this motto. Asaburo say he drive me. Oh, daddy, could you be there? One tell me okay, I'll carry now. So Saburo we who me being winner. We our payslip. See, 1 to 1. Me you tell no. See. Merwa o megwa fianya gbe o. Merwa o megwa fianya gbe mo Monica. Merwa o megwa fianya gbe. Just the social media. O wa na onu wa homa. E wetin me very oni na. Wa ya ene. Uzwa. Asaboro, you see you see my pay slip of this month. I can show you 1 month, 2 months since when you said that they drive me. Hello, Daddy Cool, will they hear you?
Oh, all right. So J-Boy got three distinctions. That is A.
Distinctions. Okay.
Subject in his A level.
Oh.
Then Monica has only 2 results to collect today because she's also doing A level and she got 2 solid distinctions.
You hear her?
Monica got 2 solid distinctions in her because the other course will come over next year.
You hear her?
But J-Boy finished all his courses on A. That means they must have scored up to 98, 92.
If you say na lie, it me in my way. I worry, I jury. Thank you, darling.
Now today they will collect result.
Ask for UK. Also England to wabo do mine because England to wabo do mine.
Today is A level result.
They all over UK.
Yes.
Oh God, my Jason. A never no need the pass with A plus.
Today's the day you will collect their results. So that's my goal today.
Shark man no face. What do you think? This say na me and una dey do social media empty talk of Iyore. God bless you, darling. Later.
Okay, now cheers for it.
This say na me and Iyore they do social media. Agba for me, but if you are your monware. If you are in motor noir. If you are in winner no motor. If you are in when we are human agbon. If you can't tama when you are set you are. If you can't your badge with berea. If you are your done where. No get me a view from YouTube. Umayami odo. Yage if Javi. He never tell where Javi eta Tito na carry oduma a pele. Go see small picking marriage. What are your you will view never ever give a head. You mimota bon where a view. Uwe imota no de ori bewe you pon bewe say but who are you no we yeke no we ma say o wodo no ma ejo wa me no ni fi we jo awo agwa be you e doti we ni lenye you e Iyore ekyoba women they call you the one pusumu pepper for your toto just sumo one oh yeah go may you go report for there wa gbe o kyoba no lewe bo wiwa Irijowa abo we ni ejowa o we no ejowa we na we ne iri do ga ti obo ni eya mudia na gbiyan erian o hen bono ijian o hen bono ebo ire ga we na we ni ga ti obo be we na ti obo o so abana do sie fajo egbe useless girl ne kuemu o wodo na yigo do ma mi go yajo go see that woman na money ite buy man for social media e con get husband mami o we ya there. Go see the other one. Na money ite buy koro. E pupu ye kenala lohe. Ui raya do vedere lost dri aya mare. Igo ya na mi be Facebook aya mare. Amami no muwe. Ari oho e. If you agba for me ba bia igba for we ba me view e jeje boy do boy. Bia igba for we ba me view dem ne view a degbe. Be me na me move san cheka. We mami e genya na mu moto ni me moto ni amu yo mbo. We mamiwa, we fake no 4 years ya lo evi me ya je school. Ari yo kwe ba bon. Oh, when e fake ni je be na ka kusa no ma be ti be do efo. Onyara atiti side chick. No muwe me atiti o wa titi gire o wi na de kiaji o we ki atiti ma pagbe o wa titi na we la o ya de ki roba no ne fa lawe gbe u ga you no we ta le dere we ma tabu we ma wa titi. We ma watiti ma la wo we bia ya en we ki atiti ma pagbe go na ye fere ijore di fake life a shawo eriwe doctor ho oke fianwu all the o me basi we ya ekwa ya master we ya a shawo ijore no we o de me ba ijo dere ekun no dere ekuni neme pala ekuni neme odo ekuni neme moto ekuni neme mo ekuni neme level ekuni ni ake ni afie sumo akpoko na pepe fo itoto wa jo wayan we numu ade ni afie akpoko jo doctor no da na this person kwa ya mansa I made mistake agbe o wewe yan ho ami no fie kia yo yan we numure na fie nyeyo ariye do enyen yan lojo he Ogion ba no wia. Ogion ba toga sun wedene gero. Ijore tuga sun wedene gero. Ijore tuga sun wo bia moze. Tuga sun bu unu fi gedo. Wa yu nu moto. Ijore ahian fie nyeju he. Matie webe do. Jore adie do. Ma la poko yu he. Jore adie do. Ma la poko yu he. Uwewe ni akpoko hian mi. Wa uwewe ni mi akpoko wu hian bouge e français. Ou qui a gouji yo? Ou qui a gouji wawa? No baka. Oh, ba the webo. The only word where do ba where Monica they beat every year. They use the same thing they laugh on. You know the shame. Origbo, don't run, leave you. Throw away pot on top of your head. Disgrace you for live video. Make una go bring live video where my husband don't ever disgrace me. Ijore we Origbo no ma bien at all. Or disgrace you with a live video. Igbo ma where you not born for. Where you they pay us rent for. When you use any cow take cocoa, it disgrace you for live video. It drive you away. What are your hoy? All the any cow money na bed where cocoa biri they can fuck you hide. Now you use and take back. What bikin a wallow? Oh, but when you get social media ya there, a social media in my way not balloon. Ima yo barrier bae, ima ye ni carrier bae, ima ye dene poko bae, ima ye jani yes carrier bae. Oh, wa me bae o me yo kowa. Iwo de gbebo bae. Ben a remandan. Ben ya leke ni ya be ya ko ni yo ye le moto bo me do ye ti do bae wana. Ni bae wana na gore wa. Ina yigo na ya we me no do na ya wele ni gwalo. Wa ari yo ho ihunu me. Unu me no temagbo. Unu me na ya progress. Wa gbe o ashawo ne huemu we you know la leki adan ya ne udu agwe married women go see everybody both the one we not be in Nigeria, the one we not be Benin, the one we be no know me before they say Monica you have the best husband. Ijore you see have that now na hatred go forever be for me. Now have that now na hatred go forever be for me. Shebi you follow me confide, you do have that for me. Who be no know who the kind of caliber and thinking through where my husband be they can't know now. The kind of Isha mentality where you get they can't know now. Say it not belong to Okpaika gang. It not belong to Isha women where they disgrace their own brother because of jealousy. It not belong to Isha man where they disgrace their wife for public. It not belong there. It not come from Ekbedan. Ekbogyonba, Ekbeso, Ekbenije Nagbo or Modion. Ni ankere vesan. We not come from there. Wa Akbo Modion wa wodo wa tik bogi mena. O Modion gi mena ni me ya wodo na wa tik be. Ekbo ma gegegege o. Ima ya gegbe him. Oh, Monica, do you want coffee? He go yes on me. Daddy Cool is the best coffee maker in town. Now he don't teach J-Boy too. If you want to drink the best coffee, when you drink, all your body will do like this. You say, Daddy Cool, make coffee for me. If they go say, do you want coffee? I say, yes, so I want coffee. Go make me the best coffee, Okay. Or I make a coffee, if I make for myself, See the one where I make for myself. I no go drink and finish because the taste no be like that. The cool, he get as it take the measure. Better husband for abroad, coffee. Then they take the no. I bet if you want friend, man, if you know sabi make coffee, oh, money oyibo, ne do ame, unime, oui. Sign to no good man. Go sabi make correct oyibo coffee for you. Except say you know they drink coffee. Okay, thank you so much, my people. Having only care we what's in here. I don't get time for those ones. Those are small enemy. Let them cry. But the only person where I'll constantly reply later. Now that one will be much. With the France, you have a dog bijou.